Right, the camera should be rolling now. I don't know, because I can't see the fucking light. Funny, fuck.
Watch out, Elon.
Context. These ones are a bit scary because it's a C65, so but you've got a 5-second gap till the chute goes and it's heading towards the floor when it happens. Seriously. Put the fucking camera on it. Where's the wind going? It's fucking freaking me out. Go back for a little bit. Fucking pain in the arse. No, I won't know.
He's a fucking nightmare the next time.
Yeah, but I mean, he's a nightmare anyway, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck it, let's do it straight. I mean, we ain't gonna lose this, I mean. It's blown that way now, it's good. Right, this is going to come down in 2 bits, but they're both parachutes and ribbons, so we should be able to see it alright. We won't go now, you're going to do a
Stop doing the countdown.
Go on, Oz.
10.
Parachute come off the fucking top. Didn't even touch the button then. Huh? Huh? Just a parachute and now I do. Fucking come off, I can't believe it.